Ja kumbobola. Ja kumbobola.
Budia.
Tomba bongo.
Mufinga mfundi.
Banantaku.
Sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samucha, otubele, otukala. Ambe sumbulukata kumambende. Oni samucha, otubele, otukala. Wajabari.
Maela kokele.
Walamba mwamba lamba ntoba.
Feba.
Watombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomola tonda kundiri mwamba o. Yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokela
yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokele
sadila ntangu mufonda nsatunge mwana bakala ntangu ifueni katula mpwinyaja nsungma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao kumaina makuma londe kuluyete kuluyema ni kulufonda mwana fonda o na lamba mwamba lamba ntoba
Feba.
Na tombolaka
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Tomola tonda kundiri mwamba o. Kiadi mwana bakala katula mpwinya jaya tomba mbongo yaye. Kiadi yaye. Attack. Aha. Deba. Aha. Ula. Rekete. Yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokela
yokela kantini ayokela yokele kantini ayokele
sadila ntangu atiri ntweni yange mwana bakala bala bandumba bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu ifweni nge mwana bakala tomba mbongo bala bandumba na mwabilesi bakwe kulombe mbongo sadila ntangu nge mwana bakala nzunguma desiberi gagana ni hembiriki yao na yembri yao nge mwana bakala fumbuka kutolo wa tomba mbongo nge lamba mwamba lamba toba.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Na lamba mwamba lamba supwe.
Feba.
Na tombolaka.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Feba.
Wafinga mfundi.
Bimba.
Nsongi ambe nsonge la njila inilanda Munsongi
Songe la njila.
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Gana bandu butabachikana kutela Samu moshukwa unkwamisa Niwa mabuta Kabu njisi sansa bala Choma mbu kwamba kiri eka kulukwa shitaka kudema kako
mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo bala baku bobo mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo bala baku bobo
Munsongi
Songela njila
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 Chimao chinjenda Chimao chinazakala kulongo Nkumbu shitani ya itatu mansangu munzo Kani mwana mamba bambakila mbakiri mambu Kani bala bandonga kwa bansukurila mbakiri mambu Eka ni bala ni kipo ni longo ni biko ni bakala ni lando
Mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo bala baku bobo mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo bala baku bobo
Najika Nayebesa Nalwika Kabuta bako Kanilumbu Nsalambanza Munsongi
Songela njila
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 Munsongi
Songela njila mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo bala baku bobo mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo bala baku bobo mwana ngele kwa mye sima unwini menga bala baku bobo bala baku bobo bala baku bobo
Mama ngana nzila mama lemba nakota kwani kusangi mama lemba kusangi nje chamusu ni bala bangu ni mama lemba na bala malombo ni kwetombe na bala bimpompolo mama lemba mboko gana banda gana geti ko cha mama lemba ni gana nitekela mwa mamba nti walla
wamena
Nitomba mama lemba nje ninalamba mwana yake chamuzuna zoza yumanje ninalamba mwana yake mboko na bala malombo ni kwetombe na mwamfungu ni kwetombe kana teko gana nchiwe gana walla mama lembe mama ngana nzile tolokolo jako mama lembe chiwala nzadiambu kayelemenenara ndekusomamba diambu dikayemenenara ndekusomamba ni diambu jantoto kubungu nteto wera ndekusomamba wena chototo na lubutu diambu ni dio kayemenenara ndekusomamba mamba menana dzunu cho nicho chigana kalamu kubantu bunwa mamba dzunu chantima chikotele nkelo wo ulutauwa utakelo muka chena teko cha malemba chekumbamu teko china che bonso kendo mukendo ebuta zolota ni mwando fiafiechi mboko nkelo wa malemba. C'est une petite source qui étanche la soif des bêtes et des hommes. Talati nkelo wa malemba diwo na kadzunu kubishimbamu ekabo beto bansoni titaba mori antiwo wanla wayemene na gande kosonkelo ni wagana mbutu jina ni jina jisansa kama kanda manka makulu momega na chibelo china Mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena matu sala sala salamu aja mama bonisa kwani mama sala sala salamu aja sengo mulo sampa shena matu sala sala salamu aja. L'arbre sacré de Tata Malanda Makurwa Koma qu'il donnait aux sorciers n'a pas pu finir le kundu. Mumpamba wondele bantu. Est-ce que beto kunduru tatu kwa misa? Yachi ka kundu wako. Bisalu, doneno sari, taboke sa. Yachi sala kwa tutatombe, ngachi tanunga. Ambe salu chitukule. Mama bonisa kwani mama, sala sala. Salamu aja, sengo mulo sampa shena watu, sala sala. Salamu aja, mama bonisa kwani mama, sala sala. Salamu aja, sengo mulo sampa shena watu, sala sala. Salamu aja, nti wankasa, walemba kana mumanisa kundu. Kundu, mpandu, kampandu shiyokele. Hakundu ninchi, ni muntu wakwenda kundu. Mayela mama bote, ambaka mpandu Nambe mpandu ni muntu wawe misigu mora masamba. Mama bonisa kwani mama, sala sala. Salamu aja, sengo mulo sampa shena watu, sala sala. Salamu aja, mama bonisa kwani mama, sala sala. Salamu aja, sengo mulo sampa shena watu, sala sala. Salamu aja. Ritata! Yekwa! Kongo jatangulu jata. Kongo jatangulu jata. Kongo jatangulu jata. Kongo jatangulu jata. Pota.
Sabulungelangela.
Pota.
Sabulungelangela.
Pota.
Sabulungelangela.
Mama bale. bina bongo chi bongo jata ngulu jata bongo jata ngulu jata bongo jata ngulu jata bongo jata ngulu jata kulukutu kutu mama nsunga kudia kulumvwa mama nsunga kudia
kulukutu kutu mama nsunga kudia kulumvwa mama nsunga kudia kulukutu
to the park or just outside in the driveway?
kulumvwa mama nsunga kudia
kutubele beto kubatubula bantu meso
kutubele beto kubatubula bantu meso kutubele beto kubatubula bantu meso ngengele ya mabwidia ngengele ya mabwidia
bakala wa ijiri
ngengele ya mabwidia
bakala wa ijiri
ngengele ya mabwidia
lukolele mwatu
ngengele lukolele kweto ya
lukolele mwatu
ngengele lukolele kweto ya ngengele ya mabwidia ngengele ya mabwidia
ngenge ya mabwiria ngenge ya mabwiria ntangu ifweni bakala wishiri ntangu ifweni ngoma zibieta ne kunagata beto bansoni toka munsai ngwa bakala wishiri kange viri toko chitoko landie amenge viri toko ba munsai
ngengele ya mabwiria ngengele ya mabwiria ngengele ya mabwiria
bakala wa ijiri
ngengele ya mabwiria
bakala wa ijiri
ngengele ya mabwiria
lukolele mwatu
ngengele lukolele kweto ya
kinini mpangala kulelele mpangala tata Michelle wena ntandu tata Michelle wiziri ntangu ifweni yandi wena ntandu abuame ntika neti abuame na bile ko bishiri nandi na mbongo ka yesala betumanso ni toka munsai bakento kange nulele chine una chine eka bakento kwa ya bazale chine no
Gambo de Tatale.
Gambo de Tatampandu.
Oh, sorry. Let me just say hello to the audience. Hello. This is Kikongo class. If you're watching, we thank you. Don't move. We're going to learn Kikongo. Kikongo is the language of Congo Kingdom, of course, spoken in Angola, Gabon, Congo Kinshasa, and Congo Brazzaville. Thank you. We are expecting that brothers from Los Angeles. Okay. It's quarter-past. Okay. Let us make it start then. I'm just going to test you. You know if you better than
Tunama vimpi. Yeah, no.
Okay. Io personale vi rispondere. Without looking at your notes, yeah, please. I just want to make sure you get this. You are comfortable with this. How should I put it? So standard, let's call it standard personal pronoun in Gikongo.
So it's standard is I, U, A, Du, Lu, Ba.
Bravo, yeah, you done it. Well done, right? I, you, it is I. I, you, we say E in Gikongo. Let's say in Gikongo. E,
E.
first person. E mean I in English. You as you, by coincidence. A, she or he. Remember, A bracket K, yes? It depends.
Yeah, because it could be, yeah.
You could say Kakwiza ko, mean third person. And the plural is very simple. Tuluba, as usual. Well done. Now, we're going to pronoun, 20 pronouns. Yes.
Tony pronoun,
Mono.
Mono, Ngeye, Andi.
Yandi, be careful,
Yeah,
Yandi.
I'm saying Yandi, Yeno, Yeto, Yao.
Yeto, Yeno, Yao, yes. Yeto or Beto, something. Yeno, Beno. Wow, well done, yes. I mean, this is the standard. Let's say standard, but there's no Gikongo standard. See, people, each one speaks according to their own way. I mean, their own how do you call it? Their own region. Yes. Oh, thank you very much, Tatale. Questions? Any questions?
No, I don't have any. No, not on those. I mean, we've covered that pretty well, so no, I don't have any questions.
Okay, we are going present tense and present continuous. Yes.
Okay.
Present tense and present continuous. I just want to make sure you can use all of them, the pronoun from singular to plural. So, zinga means in English
To live.
to live. Yeah, well done. Okay, kwenda.
Kwenda is to go.
Yes. Okay, present tense now. You translate to me, translate for me into Kikongo. I'm going to Mbanza, Congo.
Okay. Kumbanza Congo ita kwenda.
Well done. Yes. Let me just bring sister. She's here. Hello, sister.
Hello, Kiambote.
Okay,
Kiambote.
Where's her brother?
Oh, he's coming. He's logging in right now.
Thank you. We're just going back to revision all the time. Doesn't matter. Just make sure we got it. Yes, I was asking Tata Allen. Personal pronoun Kikongo. Let's just make it easy to you. Plural, Nengwa Candice, plural, personal pronoun, plural. We have a formula. Remember a formula?
Are you asking me? I don't really understand the question.
The standard, let's say they call it the standard personal pronoun.
Do you mean
plural.
like
Go for plural. Sorry.
Are you talking about tuta, luta, and bata?
Yeah, you're going extra mile. Tu luba, remember? Well done, yeah. Tu luba, tu we, yeah. Tu we, lu.
Okay,
you.
right. Tu, lu, and ba.
Yes, plural. I just want to make sure to brothers here. Hello, Tata.
Hello. Kiambute.
You know my Vimpi. You're struggling. Okay.
Yeah, to set himself up.
Don't worry, we can see you. You're here. Thank you for coming, brother.
Oh, you're welcome.
Tundele. Yes, thank you, sister. You're fine. Your pronoun plural is tu for we, lu for ba. I'm sorry. Tu for we, lu for you may need. Ba or
Right.
be. I'm not talking Congo. Ba or be, them. How you going to say? Yes?
Okay.
Tata Adri,
Hmm.
we're going back to our usual, our usual song, yeah, music song. We're going back to personal pronoun, but plural. Remember the formula? You the formula.
Yes.
Plural. Mm.
What do I start from the singular or do I go from the plural?
No, you want to make it easy. Go to plural. Plural is easy. What are
Uh,
they?
two,
We.
two, Lu, and Bay, or is it
Yeah,
Ba?
well done. Yeah, no, correct. Well done, bravo. Ba or be depend on variant or the context of the sentence. How you find on that? Any question on that?
No, I don't.
Yeah. Now, going back to the same topic, I mean, personal pronoun. Now, I'm asking you to tell me the singular. Plural is easy. You go for tu, lu, ba, tu, we, lu, you, many, ba, obey, them, they. But singular, I just want you to get it. Tata, I would replace singular.
Is it
I. I'm
I
talking
or
English. I'm talking English. You say it in Congo. I'm talking in English.
I in Gina?
Yeah, correct, but don't go. Make it easy. So don't go there.
Oh, okay.
I,
You, and he, she, it is, I guess.
no, it is by coincidence I in Congo, I mean E, we will say E. Yeah? I,
Mm-hmm.
E,
E,
you
and then
many,
you
and you singular, we say you as a union, him, he, it's
is
A.
A or K?
Good question. Wow, good student. A bracket K. You're right.
I need to write that down.
Okay. I just want to make
A as
it.
an E, right?
Sorry.
A would be the E sound. Well, the
Yes.
letter E.
He or she. Yes. But make sure you remember A bracket K. It's very yes. We got
Okay.
E. I'm talking Kikongo in Congo. E. U. Second person. A bracket K. Oh, remember first singular. A bracket K. Yeah. A bracket K. So okay, sister Candace.
I'm just gonna write that down right quick.
I can write that down, but I didn't have anything like that in my notes, so
I know you got it on your notes. I just want you to
I do
make
not
sure
have it in my notes.
you have it, another version, different version.
I don't think so. Yeah, I don't know what you're talking about. The A bracket K, that's totally foreign to me.
Okay.
But you can just move on. I'll just catch up.
No. Wait, let me just put it. We are on the same boat, yeah. Don't hurry.
But question
Here you
when
are.
you say
Yes.
A, that
No.
A is actually the letter E, right? So
Can
the
you see
E would be the A
left?
sound.
Sorry, brother. Can you see my screen on the bottom left? Yes.
Yeah, IUKA.
Yeah. This is
Okay.
the I for I in English. Union is for you. Singular. K bracket K A. A bracket K is he she. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, Sister Candice. Yes, sister.
Oh yeah.
Um, I don't know. I guess I have that on one of my papers, the one that says.
It is on your screen, on the bottom left on the screen. Can you see your
Well,
screen?
I see that on the screen, but for me, I have to be able to connect it with something. I can't just see that on my screen.
Yeah,
So
good
I'm still
student.
not
Yeah,
getting why the
I
K is
got
there, but okay.
very smart lady. I got you. And I know why you're saying that. Yeah, you don't want to memorize it. You want to understand. Okay, that's good. Yes, I-U-A. Yes, it is I for I am, U for you are, K for he is. Yes, so on. Okay, good. Okay, now I think sister you'll be okay on this one because you wanted to connect it with something. Um, let me just ask you a question. I live in Mbanza, Congo. Sister Candace, I live in Mbanza, Congo. You have your singular on your screen, yeah? Person singular. I live in Mbanza, Congo.
Um,
Because it's the location, remember, whenever it's a location, we start with KU, Ku, which is contraction for Kuna. The,
um,
the town is Banza Congo of object. So Ku,
Ku Kubanza
object,
Congo.
yes.
I can't put that sentence together. I honestly don't remember.
Now, zinga is a verb. Zinga comes, your verb is the last thing. You go object, your personal pronoun, the verb. Zinga is the verb to live. So go for ku first, kuna, ku.
Is it Kuzinga Banza Konzo? Banza
Well done.
Kono?
Yeah, the other one, yeah. Kumbanza Congo is Zinganga. Yes.
Kubanza Kongo Uzi Zinganga?
Yeah. Who will be him, you. For my first person is Zinganga. Yes. Well done. That's out, yes. I live in New York.
Um.
Remember,
Oh man.
no, question, sorry. Whenever we talk about location, it's always kuna, kuna. Then your
Uh.
object is a location's name. Then your first personal pronoun. The last thing is your verb. The first thing is object. Second, your pronoun.
Um.
The last one is a verb. Except who comes whenever it is a location. Yes.
Okay.
That's
So.
yeah.
Ku New York.
Mm-hmm.
Nzinga.
Wow, well done, bravo. Is Zinganga. Remember,
Nzingaga.
yes.
Zing.
You got your verb. You don't move your verb as it is, but you just add nga. Is Zinganga. Well done.
Nzingaga.
Yeah. This is Kikanga. Okay. Some verb. Now, I'm going to New York. Remember, first thing you KU, yeah, your destination. I'm going to New York. You still using E, but remember the keyword continuous is TA. You add TA on your personal pronoun. Try it, brother. Pangi.
Oh, talking to me.
Yes, please. Sorry. Ku. You go to New
Uh.
York. New York. Yes.
Ku New York.
Then your pronoun. Yeah.
Got wait. Ku New
Yeah.
York. I know I don't say in Zingaga again.
You going now? You going? We talk about Kwenda. We talk about Kwenda going. Kwenda is the verb. Yes.
Okay. So.
Ku
Ku
New
New
York.
York.
E, but add something.
Ita.
Well, bravo. Because
Okay.
continuous.
Ita.
Kwenda. Yeah.
Kwenda.
Yeah. On continuous, you leave with the verb as it is. You just touch your pronoun. Ita. E, you add ta. Ta. Present tense, you touch on a verb. Verb, you add nga. Are we okay with that? Yes.
Yeah, I don't completely have it down, but I'll keep studying it.
Yeah, you're doing well. Yeah, it's not easy. Tatane, any questions?
No, no questions.
Yeah. Kumbanza kungo itakwenda. Kumbanza kungo utakwenda. You. Kumbanza. Look at your screen. Look at your screen, please. Your bottom left. Kumbanza
Hmm.
kungo itakwenda. I'm using E on the bottom left. Kumbanza kungo utakwenda. You single. Him, her. Kumbanza kungo. Now I'm using K. Kata
Hmm.
kwenda. Kate kwenda. Yes?
Katakwenda.
Question?
No, I mean, looking at it, it seems it's easy, but
Okay, we are going to Mbanza Congo. Kumbanza Congo tuta kwenda. Kumbanza Congo luta kwenda. Just remember, continuous, you touch on your personal pronoun. Please take notes here. Please.
mhm.
That name sister. On continuous, you touch on your pronoun by adding ta, yeah? Ita. Present tense,
Ita.
you touch on your verb, you add nga at the end. Is it there?
Yeah, I do have that in my notes.
Yeah, oh, thank you. Just continuous, you touch on your pronoun, personal pronoun. Present tense, you just add nga at the end. Okay, two-tone daily. Don't worry, we'll be back on that. As we said last time, my name is Lembe Kwendi. Just make sure we know it. We can teach it. Okay, can we move? Yes?
I didn't hear the question.
Yes.
Yep.
Yeah, we can move. Okay, thank you very much.
Okay.
Okay, we have Tata Makonde kwa there. As I said last time, we are Congo people. We always say thank you. This is us. We always honor our ancestors. This is African. African. Are we there? Yes, this is African. Yeah. Okay. We always say thank you to Tata Makonde Kwa and Professor Hazu Carter. They're gone. They're gone, but they're here because we have the work. No?
Mm-hmm.
Well, quickly, for someone new watching, here we have Professor Hazu Carter. Very smart lady she was. Award from African Teachers Association. This is the Professor Hazu Carter writing. This course is for you to speak Kikongo, not to learn about the Congo. Remember, English lady, the English are very pragmatic, you know? Don't waste time, yeah? Just do it. We just learning to talk. Other stuff later on. But can you say something? Yeah, if you're able, okay. Okay, we're going ahead. We're moving on, yeah. Okay, standard pronoun, we are comfortable with that. Then we have what we call tonic pronouns, yeah? Mono, I as well, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, you, yandi, yeto, yeah, no, yo, yes?
Yes.
Mono is me, me. M-E, yeah? Yeah, you, yes. Okay. Nufuete. Take note, this is good Kikongo. Take note, please. Nufuete Kutulanda. Remember, let me just try to highlight it here. Something's not going wrong right here. Ah, okay. Computer's funny. Anyway, remember two, as soon as you see two, always think about second person, yes?
Yes. The two.
Sorry?
Yeah, no, I'm looking at it and I'm like, yes, the two.
Yeah, two means, two is we. Although, but this is how you write Kikongo anyway. We have a KU, which is just prefix, but we have TU, your personal pronoun two. could be Lu, Yumeni, or El Ba. Yes. Tatale, tatale first line, no fuete kutu. I mean, no fuete means you or you must, you have to.
Mm-hmm.
Tatale, first line.
Nu fuerte Kutulanda.
Thank you. Tatari.
Diambute, Tusinga, Ku Nu Laanda.
Well done, yeah. Remember always, well done, the long vowel. Tusinga Kunulanda. Well done.
Landa.
Yes. My, okay, anyway. I can't move my point properly, but anyway. Remember, singer, TU is that we, yeah? Singer is just like a wheel, yeah? A wheel in English. Singer is auxiliary. Are we okay on that, yes?
Yes.
Singer. No, don't worry too much about singer. Singer just to help us, yeah? To support the verb. The verb is here. Landa, to follow.
Landa.
Landa. To singer Landa. We are going to follow. We will be following. Yes, we will follow. Yes. Any question on this one? Clear? Tatale?
Yep.
Moving to the next one. Sister, please, first line, Tatale, and second line.
Nufuete Kutu Kiyila.
Bravo, yes.
Diambote. Tusinga Kunu Kilila.
Singer Kunukira, yes. Remember, nu here, either lu or you, something nu. You many, yes? You many. Kila, it is the verb here, kia. Kia it means to visit. Kila.
Okay.
The verb, I mean, it is Kikongo. It's not me how you write Kikongo. Here we have two words. KU space, TU space. Then you have your verb. Your verb is Kila. To visit. That's how the first line, please. Then sister, the second one.
Nufuete, Kutu Gizila.
Yizila, yes.
Gizila.
Thank you.
Diambote Tusinga Kunu Yizila.
Yeah, well done, yeah. Always remember Nufuete, something. Nufuete. We have ba or be, something. Nu, lu, something. Well done. Tata, first line, Tata, please. Second line, Tata.
Kuwete,
Nufuete.
Oh, I'm sorry. Nufuete, Kutulonga.
Well done. I like the pronunciation. Yeah, long vowel. Kutulonga. Yes, Tata.
Diambote. Tusinga Kunulonga.
Yes, Kunulonga. Remember again. Nu, or lu, something. Kunulonga. Just you.
So, can you say, ku instead of ku nu longer? Can you say ku lu longer?
Yes, something. Yeah, correct. Yeah, Kunulonga. Yes.
Okay, so it depends on what area. That
Yeah,
L
this is
change
variant.
that to an
Yes.
L?
Yeah, this variant from. This is the variant of Congo King. Yes.
Yeah.
This is from Banza Congo, but it's a mixture anyway. Okay. Nufuete Kutuyindula. Tata, first line, second line, sister, please.
Nu fuerte Kutuyindula.
Again, Tata, remember long vowel, please. Nufuete.
Nu fuerte Kutuyindula.
Thank you.
Diambote Tusinga Kunu Yindula.
Yeah, bravo. Remember Gikongo. It's not me, my disciple Kikongo. We have a ku space, tu space, yindula is the verb. we have it in one word, man. Can you see that, sister? Eh? That's a Kikongo. I mean, the linguists they say that how we should write Kikongo because it does flow. You don't say, you don't pause. You don't say ku, tu, yindula. When you talk, you say ku, tu, yindula. See?
Yeah, you put it all together.
Yeah, it comes like a word, one word, but I mean, easy to the native, yeah, but not easy for everybody. Our verb is samunuina, to tell, to announce. Tata Allen first and second Tata Odi.
Nous fouette kutu samu ouais.
Samunuina.
Kutu samunuina.
Yeah, someone had to tell Harold to. You understand? Second line, Tata, please.
Diambute to Singa Kunu Samunwina.
Right there, see? Sorry, this is coming here. Kutu samunuina. Wait there. Yeah, sister, first line, please. Second line, secretary.
Okay. Nufuete kutuwana.
Diambote to singa kunuwana.
Well then, remember verb here is the wana. To meet. Second line, yeah? Okay. Diambote singa kunuwana.
Kutuwana.
Yeah. To meet, well, it said it means literally to find, yes. Translation, we lose a lot, you know. Translation hard. No fwete kutuvibila, kutuvubila. Tata Allen, Tata every second line, please.
Nous fouette kutuvubila.
Diambute to Singa Kunu Vubila.
Yeah, singa kunuvubila, no fwete kutuvubila, yes. Well done. Talking Kikongo, yeah? This is Kikongo. Okay, we're done for today, yes? Thank you very much for coming.
Great.
I know it's Sunday, but we need to honor our ancestors, yeah?
Yes.
Be careful. Sorry. This is a person. I'm a Christian. Don't worship them. We honor them, yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Get this right. They're two different things, yeah? Because we Christian, African Christian, when we saying something about the ancestors, it always misunderstood, yes? We know we don't worship them, but we honor them, yeah? All the time. Yeah.
Right.
We have to be here because of them, yeah?
Yeah.
If you going to the Bible, you read the Bible, honor your parents, yeah?
Yes.
Parents means everybody, granny, ancestor, yes. Tuto Ndele, thank you very much for time. Any questions?
No, not here.
Okay,
No.
have a good week. Tuto Ndele, see you when the Gambo next Sunday. When the Gambo.
Msala Kembut.
Sala Kembute. Tutandale.
Thank you.
Kietu yangani kawauko iwao bombele meso mwene isibudi matu uwidi ikonzo dienu Yeno luvo vangavo kongo jafwa Yeno luvo vangavo kongo jafwa Bila tala kwewe eyala ku